boys and girls. We're back and we're still looking at our chickens. Now, I found a different book here on Get Epic. And looking at our Get Epic book, I can open up the front cover and I see a table of contents. Remember, a table of contents is a really great feature, a text feature that we can use to go to the exact page that we want to find. So if I want to find out about the parts of a chicken, I just go to page 6. Let's start looking through the book and see if we can spot any other text features. Oh, I see one on page 4. Do you guys notice that dark, bold print? Bold print is a text feature. Bold print helps us to understand that it's an important word. Looking through here, I see something I can put down in my notes. Chickens live in groups, and those groups are called flocks. I didn't know chickens lived in groups called flocks. I need to put that down in my notebook. So if I were to do that, what I would do is first, when I close the book, think about how can I say that in my own words? Maybe I would just say flocks are groups of chickens. I wonder if that's only groups of chickens. But I'm going to write that down in my notebook. Let's go to the next page. Chickens have feathers and wings, but they do not fly well. I did not know that. Did you know that chickens didn't fly well? They have wings. Why wouldn't they? A chicken has a beak. A chicken pecks for seeds and insects on the ground. I thought they only ate seeds. They eat insects? So they're really looking for bugs when they're picking through the dirt? Notice here. Here's a picture and a label. And it's pointing right exactly to his beak. And it says beak underneath. These labels are really important for us to understand the text. This would be another text feature. Wow, we must be to that part that's talking about the parts of the chicken. Look at here. The top is called a comb and the bottom is called a wattle. Very interesting. Those are definitely things that I want to write down, and I want to remember that I'm going to need a picture just like this researcher, just like this author has, so that I can show exactly where these parts of the bird are. I should probably jot that in my notebook too. Find a good picture. Do you see as I'm walking through this book that I'm pointing out some of the text features within this book that can help us understand chickens a little bit better? 2 more pieces that I wanted to highlight is 1, the glossary in the back. Notice that these same words that were bolded in the text are in the glossary. And so it tells us what those words really mean. Also, look, we can find more about chickens. They even give us some websites that we could go to find out more about chickens. Maybe you could check those out. So when you're looking today for information about your chickens, use text features. Use the text features that we've already learned about. We've already went through these units and you know all about the headings. You know about subheadings. You know about glossaries and indexes and table of contents in bold words. Labels and pictures and captions. You have a real good idea of how to maneuver through nonfiction text. So today, take some great notes. Can't wait to see what you come up with.